Welcome to the part 6 of this tutorial. In this part, we're going to add finishing touches to our USB. First thing we're going to do is add an USB symbol. Change the view to top view and select the top face. Go to Insert menu. Select Insert to insert a pre-made USB symbol from a specific location. And then, put it right here on this midpoint. Place it on the top middle of our USB. But really, you don't have to be precise on this. Next, back to Home View, select our USB symbol, and type Explode. This is for ungrouping the onions or joints so the block is editable. And then extrude the symbol upwards for 0.3 unit. So it creates something like this. The next touch is adding materials to our USB. Adding materials are optional and not really necessary, but I think it's fun to give your USB some customized looks. Go to the render menu, change the materials/textures to on, and then open the material browser. A window will pop up containing so many materials you can choose, like glass, wood, fabric, metals. Well, just drag them out to the parts that we wanted to. This time I want my USB body to be aqua colored plastic. Next time I might be wanted to be glass or wood, who knows? And for the USB connector, I'll be giving the steel material like this. Just drag them out to your USB model. And now that we're done with materials, it's time to render the image. Just click on the render menu right here, and let's see your USB for real. Rendering might take some time depending on your computer specification. And you can also save the image on this output directory. And also there's render region right here. The difference is it cannot save the image, but you can still see the details of your USB. And this might take some time because my PC specification is low. Render region does not save the image. It just gives you the hint of what your USB will be like.